So, first of all, everything is okay. So, my first question is from you to explain your product to the viewers or to the community.
We are a sole distributor of King Long buses in the kingdom. We provide our customers with Hajj and Umra buses, school buses, buses for taking customers within the kingdom in the city for نقل الجماعي, we call it in Arabic. We also provide buses for VIP customers. We usually have a lot of services to be done on these buses after we sell it, and we take care of this through our workshops throughout the kingdom, where we give warranty on our buses. We are the largest King Long bus manufacturer outside of China, and we also now in the process of opening up a new manufacturer to build these buses in Egypt for the Saudi and the African markets.
Okay, my second question is, as you know, during the corona, if you see back 1 year, okay, so the transportation industries were very affected so bad. So what is the response now in the Saudi market?
Well, since the opening of the market, the government have really announced an opening where we can get the transportation sector back in and running for both Hajj and Umrah, for all transportation sector, school and so on. So now, mashallah, alhamdulillah, we are able to get our customers back on track to provide them with all the buses that they need for their school, for the Hajj and Umrah, for city transportation and so on.
So what you offer to the client or to the customer or to the consumer, what you offering and how you convince to your customer toward the products as compared to other competitors?
Well, currently the customers, when they come to you to buy a bus, they have an issue, a problem, and it is our job to provide them with a solution. For example, when they come to buy a school bus, they need buses to transport their students from their homes to the school, and we provide them with a solution, and our solution is a school bus, and we build a school bus that will match exactly their needs. The same thing with Hajj and Umrah. We are able to build buses to match the customer's needs with the options, the colors, whatever they need, we're able to build those buses.
Yani you are providing the customized buses, yeah?
Yes, we provide customers with buses, and also in many cases we also provide financing to the customers, so to help them out get started in the transportation sector.
So finally, I need your strong message for the community here in Saudi Arabia.
Well, without the community, there would be no business. So it is our job as an organization like King Long and NTC is to make sure that we provide safe product to the community, provide very good service for the community and the buses, to make sure that everybody is traveling safe within the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
So, okay, we need your after sales manager to ask one question only, because you are providing after sales.
Yes.
Then you are how are you? Fine, everything is okay. Actually, we heard about the company that you are providing the after sales also, and you are the related person for that. You are the manager. So I am asking that what kind of service you provide, how you convince to the customer or your client over your product or over your service as compared to other competitors.
Actually, we have a big service center in our location. We have so many mobile workshops. We can reach the customer anywhere. We have original spare parts fixed to the customer. Even we sometimes offer the customer to sign contract with him as maintenance contract. He don't worry about the maintenance. He worry only about the driver, diesel, and tire only. And everything we take care about. It.
So it means you have also a maintenance contract for any large company. You have maintenance contract.
We have
in Saudi Arabia. Yes.
We have maintenance contract with Citro, a school bus. They have around 2,700 buses. They in Riyadh, in Tabuk, in Medina, in Al-Ula. And also we signed service contract with Sabitco also for الجبيل باص الهيئة الملكية 400 buses. Also we have signed maintenance contract with Sabitco for Medina operation also. As I told you, in the maintenance contract, the customer only worried about the driver, diesel, tires, only. Everything we take care about it from A to Z.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck for the future. Inshallah, we hope you to best success King Long, NTC, and the Saudi market. Thank you. I have Mr. Abdul Yazid from NTC, which is related to King Long. So first of all, welcome to you. Okay. My question is, as you are the manager, which is normally the financial health of the company. So how you contribute and how you make a strategy and how you help your sales team and your after sales team as a finance manager? What is your contribution?
Actually, our contribution for sales itself from the beginning of the deal or the transaction itself, starting from the pricing of the deal itself, costing with all aspects and factors that affect the deal value or the cost value, from FOB price, freight, custom duty, and so on. Then second step, for the arrangements of getting facility from banks or from other source of finance to close the transaction internally and externally. Then our third step to make a deal with a suitable financial factors with customer under consideration of getting best values of interest rates compared with debit interest rates from banks to get most suitable and prospective profit or margin for the company.
Okay. My second question is, okay, this is the finance responsibility and this is, the finance job, and which they should have to done. But my question is, this indirectly. What your directly contribution with sales people or with after sales people? Some people are personally taking interest.
Actually, I'm attending all meetings and pre-meetings with the customers in the all deal steps till closing the deal.
Yes.
Because all meetings and all discussions, of course, related to, at the end, it will be related to finance.
Okay.
So I should attend and I should give a hand on it, especially for the quick response.
Okay, I need your strong message to the community here. King Long and from NTC.
Of course, King Long as NTC, as a one company, a company from a group of Dr. Hamid Tabatani group, is always happy and interested and to be part of this type of transportation, especially the Hajj and Umra transportation, because it gives the board members and the owner himself a very special feeling and a very special target, which is one of his aim, his life.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck for the future. Hope you, inshallah, very successful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hajj and Umra.
Yeah. So this is initiated by Hajj and Umra sector. It's a challenge that all the teams here, there are technical teams that can find a solution, technical solution for some challenges in Hajj and Umra for the provided services like housing or transportation. So they want to apply some technical solution.
يعطيكم الف عافيه لجنه التحكيم. يعني بصراحه اخذنا كلام جميل وكلهم اجتمعوا انه في خلال 48 ساعه نشوف هذه الافكار الابداعيه. شكرا لجميع المشاركين. الان نستكمل نستقبل مع المجموعات الأخرى. تفضلوا وقت ما تكونوا جاهزين تفضلوا.
Until now we have limited because it's already passed for Ramadan.
Okay.
Yes, for bookings.
Can I ask one question about what you are offering, because there are a lot of industries and a lot of competitors. So what you are offering to convince your customer or your client as compared to the other competitors?
Yes, we can welcome your guests in our hotels in Mecca or Jeddah. It's up to you for your bookings, and we are responsibility for the catering. We can give you special rates for the catering and transportation. We have good service for transportation. This is like this bus. Can you take picture, please? This bus.
This one.
This is same. It's like 5 stars and basic. We have brochure there for about the transportations. This is for including for our company also. This is the buses. Yes, we have 55 buses. Basic and VIP.
ريان زمزمي شركة زمازمة كمبني. طبعا احنا خدمتنا بنقدمها للحجاج في موسم الحج في مساكنهم. الخدمة اللي بتقدمها شركة الزمازمة هي توصيل ماء زمزم لمساكن الحجاج. بدأنا رحلة زمزم بشكل تفضل. رحلة زمزم كانت طبعا بشكل قديم، كانت هذه البداية في مراكز استقبال الحجاج في منطقتين تعتبر عندنا في مكة، من ناحية جدة اللي هي الشميسي، ومن ناحية المدينة اسمها النورية. يستقبل الحجاج فيها الاستقبال الأولي ويهدوهم عبوة ماء. هذه العبوة بيقدموها في مراكز الاستقبال، من بعدها يتوجهوا الحجاج لمساكنهم
ये मस्जिदों के लिए प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, जस्ट प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर द मॉस्क.
ये ऐसी कंपनी है पानी की जो सिर्फ पानी आपको प्रोवाइड करेगी. अगर आपने रमज़ान में सबील करनी है, इनको ऑर्डर करेंगे और ये पानी उस मॉस्क में पहुंचा देंगे, ओनली फॉर सबील. ये कमर्शियल यूज़ के लिए नहीं है. और माशाल्लाह बड़ी अच्छी सर्विस है. देखिए माशाल्लाह, आप घर बैठ के पानी का ऑर्डर कर दें और वो पानी मस्जिद में पहुंच जाएगा. जो पिएगा मस्जिद में आपके घर बैठे मस्जिद में पहुँच जाएगा.
घर बैठे नहीं मस्जिद में.